Creating an online business. Do you dream of making tons of money online? I know I do. After all, there are successful people out there doing just that. And I plan to be one of them. Do you? Let me ask you something. Do you think accomplishing this will be an easy task? If it was, everyone would be doing it. But the bottom line is this: if you were trained to do it the right way, you could be on your way to financial freedom. Financial freedom can mean different things to different people. My motto is, it's all about the next vacation. My goal is to be able to travel when and where I want. And quite honestly, working 9 to 5 or 40 hours a week for somebody else does not always give me that luxury. Soon that will not be an obstacle. Soon I will be on my way to financial freedom. Step-by-step training is essential if you want to succeed. It is critical. And once you've learned the secrets, learned which tools to use, learned how to promote your online business, learned how to generate many streams of income, learned how to help others do the same, you are well on your way to becoming successful. You are well on your way to financial freedom. It can be confusing, overwhelming, and downright frustrating. But if you take it one step at a time, learn from every lesson, practice exactly what is being taught, suddenly you realize you can do it, and you will see phenomenal results. No doubt about it. Begin your training today. Learn from one of the top internet gurus in the field. In 30 days, you'll be amazed at what you have accomplished. Let this be the stepping stone to the life you've always dreamed of. To the life you deserve. For more videos, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to notify you every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.